What's up coders, welcome to One Little Coder. Today we're going to see a very simple web application that's called Scribble Diffusion. ScribbleDiffusion.com is this. So what you can do is you can scribble something and then you can turn it into a beautiful art using Stable Diffusion. This uses something called ControlNet. I'm working on a separate video about ControlNet, so I'm not going to get into the details of ControlNet. But what you can assume is that it is going to use the image that you used and it's going to hold the pose and create a new image based on the image that you create. Unlike a typical image to image, this holds the position and certain attributes of the input image that you drew. For example, what Scribble Diffusion does is you can see that whatever we have sketched here, it is going to convert it into a goofy owl based on the prompt that you gave. And this is the input. So you can scribble anything here and then you can give a prompt here. So it's going to create a new image that's going to hold the properties of this image. Like you can actually see, you can see how similar it is. You can see this, you can see everything here and how similar it is to the input image that you created. That's exactly what ControlNet is doing, and ControlNet is quite popular at this point. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to sketch something. Like definitely my sketching skills are quite bad, but I want to show you something. Like I'm going to do like this, like this, like this, something. Okay, I'm going to assume that this is my Batman. Okay. So I'm going to give Batman and then click go. So what now ControlNet powered Stable Diffusion is going to do is it's going to take the input image that we have created and it is going to give the prompt Batman to it, and then it is going to create an output image that holds the sketches that we have given in the input image using edge detection and a lot of other techniques. So you can see that it has got a Batman and it has added something else. So you can see it's in the exact same position of what we have done. Like whatever we have done, it has made sure that it is in the exact same position. Let's look at another example. I would like to quickly show you another example where I can literally draw like this. I can just draw a stick figure, right? I can draw a stick like this and I can give something in the hand. So I can say saber. And as you can see, you might have probably guessed it now. So if you're using it on a tablet that supports the pencil or a pen sketch, so you can actually draw it on the canvas. So it's not just you have to use mouse, you can actually use your pen or pencil and then do it. Like this did not turn out very well because I just gave lightsaber as my prompt, so maybe that is the reason why it didn't. But you can still see that it is trying to hold the line in the right way and it's trying to do all those things. This application is actually completely open source, so if you want to use it, you can literally use it. So replicate Scribble Diffusion is available for anybody to use. Go start the repository. If you want to build it on your own, if you want to host it on your own platform, you can literally use this and then do it. And like I said, I'm working on a separate video on ControlNet, but if you want meanwhile to read about ControlNet, you can actually go read how ControlNet, Scribble, especially the Scribble part works and what kind of things that you can do. Like people are going crazy with ControlNet. Like I'm getting a huge FOMO of not getting into the ControlNet world, but right now this looks quite amazing. I wanted to share a quick video about how you can turn your sketch into beautiful, amazing AI images using Scribble Diffusion. If you have any other question, let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, see you in the next video.